The Colorful Birds by Matthew Ray in Miss Florence class. Once upon a time, there lived birds with their collars black and gray. Then one day, the rainbow was disappearing. And the most beautiful bird came and said, "Let's come save the rainbow." Some birds did not. Then some birds did not go to help the rainbow, to help the other birds. Then the other birds were fighting bugs. They were eating the rainbow. Then the birds won. The birds went in the rainbow. The birds got their collars back. Then the birds got beautiful collars. Blue, green, pink, red.
What is on the first page? Settings.
And yellow.
Privacy.
The birds that did not go to save the rainbow were sad. They wish they have helped. This is my bird.